What is going on, you guys? Jay here with Clutch Detailing and Jay's Mobile Detailing. I hope you've been having a wonderful week. God bless you. I wanted to go ahead and jump into this video and review my absolute favorite clutch tool that just, honestly, I love using this thing. It is the Dewalt battery vacuum. Just for reference, it is the DCV501H. So I absolutely love this thing, and let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about it. So here are all the attachments that come with the kit, as well as the hose. As far as some features that go for this vacuum, as soon as you turn it on, you have a little LED light that kicks on. So, I mean, you can use that for whatever. It's not as bright as you may think it is. But to open it up, you press this little unlock button right there in the front, conveniently in the front. Mind you, this is a dry vacuum. This is not a wet vacuum. This is not designed to suck up water. Learn from my mistakes. As soon as I ended up thinking I could do that, thought wrong, and it bogged down on me. Luckily, I just let it dry for the rest of the day and everything. But as far as it goes, it comes with the HEPA filter already, and this is it in all of its dirty glory. And this is just some of the little debris that's in there. So what I like to do, I mean, this thing is probably about like 5 or 6 months old. What I like to do is I'll just go ahead and get my Tornador gun, my air gun, like everybody else. I'll just air out the filter and then call it a day. So that's what I like to do for it. So one of my absolute favorite things about this vacuum, which is, I feel like this is the equivalent of like whenever ladies are like, oh my God, this dress has pockets. It has a hook. And I absolutely love this thing because it'll just hook on whatever, you can kind of see it. It'll hook onto your pants, and then you can just go ahead and attach the hose as well as any other attachment that you have and just go ahead and get to vacuuming. And as far as it goes, I looked it up, it's about 46 CFM as far as suction goes, so whatever that means. And then it's about 75 decibels as far as how loud it gets, but the suction is really good. The majority of the time whenever I am detailing, I usually just like, if this was like the seat right here, I just kick that bad boy on and I just go ahead and get to vacuuming all around the areas that I get. And then even like with the chisel tip or any other attachment that you may have, it's honestly perfect for the jobs that are not that dirty. Now let's go ahead and talk about what this vacuum is perfect for. What I absolutely love this vacuum and what I like to use it for are like something like my level 1 package that I ended up detailing for recently. And I absolutely love that thing because the vehicle was not that dirty. It was actually really clean. It was probably about like 3 weeks old, and it was mainly just for the exterior, but the interior, the customer was like, yeah, it's really not that bad. It's only a couple crumbs, and that's exactly what it was. And rather than pull out my vacuum, pull out the 30-foot hose, kick on my generator, having to throw out the hose and everything, I would much rather save so much time and energy just hooking up a battery to this thing and just going to town on whatever interior I got. Now with the 20 volt 5 amp hour batteries, I probably get about, on a full charge, probably about like 30 minutes. On a larger battery like I have, which again, these batteries are sold separately from the tool. So if you're a Dewalt guy, good news, they work. But as far as it goes, like even for the 60 volt ones, I probably get a little bit more than an hour. Mind you, I'm not like constantly having it running. I turn it off and on when need be. Now I know that not everybody is a Dewalt guy. So as far as it goes, from what I remember, I got this on sale for $100. It is right now, currently I sell it on Home Depot for about $150 as of posting this video, you know, if you see this, it's $150 for just the kit. So that means that you have to buy the battery separately, which is where, for any tool, is where the real money is as far as paying. But if you're a DeWalt guy, I mean, this is perfect for your any detail setup. And this is not going to, you know, change out your detail setup, or it's not going to, what's the word? It's not going to replace your regular vacuum, because let's be real, nothing could replace your regular vacuum. This is not going to replace absolutely anything in my setup. This is just that niche tool that really helps and benefits for those clean cars, or those cars that whenever you're valeting or whatever, that any detailer could really recognize and honestly feel with me, where you are returning the vehicle and the customer's like, oh, there's a little debris here, and you just don't want to, you have everything set up already, you have everything packed up, and you don't want to lug all that crap out again because you thought it was done, or, you know, somehow, some way, you know, the wind will blow dirt inside the vehicle. So this is the perfect tool for that type of work. This is what I love to use, and this is what I recommend. But if you end up trying this tool, just go ahead and show some love in the comments. Let me know what you think about it, if you love it, if you hate it, whatever. If you want to find out any more about it. But all the links to all my tools, all my chemicals, anything that I use is all down in the description. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe for more. But I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Later.